140. Hello, Lamula. Where's Nima?
Hey, Lamula, Nima anja.
He's upstairs.
Kan
He's having a bath. Nima.
Nima.
Yes.
Hey.
Rashdan is here.
Rashdan driva.
I'm nearly ready.
Pomkastava.
Hello, Rashdan. Have a cigarette.
Hey, Rashdan. Youngster.
No, thanks, Nima. I don't smoke. Have a glass of whiskey, then. Okay, thanks. I like whiskey, and I'll have a small glass.
Laguna, Kalagua, Whiskey Tralana, and Dutch Shay.
Is dinner ready, Lamula?
Lamala, Swanaguna starts the who?
It's nearly ready.
Mukastava.
We can have dinner at 7 o'clock.
Patakit Ster Swanagunuchia.
Rashdan and I had lunch together today. We went to a restaurant. What did you have? We had roast beef and potatoes. Oh.
Oh.
What's the matter, Lamula?
Lamula, you?
Well, you're going to have roast beef and potatoes again tonight.
Oh,
that's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
Hanela, neutral Jidrograp, Taxidas Caldia.
What is your name?
My name is Yang.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Where is your home?
I live in Donggo.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
What are their names?
One is Zhen, one is Dan.
What is your name?
My name is Li.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Where is your home?
My home is Huzhu.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you study English?
Yes, I studied English.
We looked at text 140. Now, let's ask and answer some questions about that text. Please listen and repeat.
Hanela.
Is Lamula taking a bath?
Lamala Pena.
No.
Qua.
Is Rashdan taking a bath?
Restan Benawananu?
No, he isn't. Nima is taking a bath.
Qua, Kangua, Nima Benawana.
Is Lamula upstairs?
Lamala Lutravanu?
No.
Qua, Lamala Sonanastana.
What are they going to have for dinner tonight?
Newsanaka Yam Shilton. Ma.
They are going to have roast beef and potatoes for dinner tonight.
Newsanaka Asam Hata Sayukla Sonanuchilduna.
Please look at 141.
Tohanela, this be such as Gunnerjaldo.
All of these sentences are not correct.
Now, Guacasguala, Sulasha.
Please listen and repeat as I correct each sentence.
Hanela, put the Lesang Michildea, Tagach Halat Guti Tagaji Michilda.
A. Where is Tom?
Tama Anji.
B. What are you doing?
Chia Magni.
C. What did you do?
C. Chia Magua.
D. Yesterday I went to class.
D. Chikutrber Joshnashua.
E. They are ill.
E. Takendarlasia.
F. I like studying English.
F. Pajizus Ragutralano.
G. They see 20 yaks on the mountain.
G. Kakakatar, Huzhu Mongghul.
H. Tomorrow I go home.
H. Malang Buktanashki.
I. Yesterday I went home.
I. Chikudr Buktanashua.
J. They were reading the books.
J. Takapchingers.
K. We enjoyed the party Saturday night at Huzhu Nationalities Middle School.
K. Pataka Shinchilin Sanano Ta Kotumin Zutrinshuruguta Van Huino Tralano.
L. I like to drink whiskey.
L. Whiskey which go Tralano.
M. They are eating mutton.
M. Taka Hunumahartiana.
N. She is taking her child to the park.
N. Tiaplinatra Quyarshina.
O. Last week you were looking at the beautiful grassland.
O. Mishishinsa Chichan Tia Segan Toyanus Jawa.
P. He likes to give children money.
P. Cantablik the Ser Gutralana.
Q. She is going to stay at home. She is not going to the party.
Q. Takutnashina 他贵阳是新瓜。
R. They like to drive their new cars.
啊，天和天，这个那开口转浪瓜。
S. I stood for 3 hours on the bus.
S. 不公共汽车我让准头不错啊。
T. He is emptying the bowl.
T. 看天一个那是个那。
U. He likes to climb mountains.
U. 看个大日就爬了就还是那。
V. I am going to call him tomorrow.
V. 不敢这么让电话拍给。
W. Yesterday, Lamula boiled some mutton.
W. 这个头来么啦？可能没哈行大家。
X. Please listen to these new words.
X. 喊你了，那是弄我跟你唱了。
Y. That little girl can turn on the radio.
Y. 那么拉训那声音只能多少个单呢？
Z. The day before yesterday, I sharpened 3 red pencils.
Z. 这都是不果然前不是修课啊。
AA. Every morning, Lamula cleans the room.
A. 挂的么去拉么啦？这个那是个那。
B. I like to air my room in the morning.
B. 这就不可是那50个个多了呢。
CC. She is going to arrive the day after tomorrow.
CC. 看起来的可是个呢。
D. Please answer the telephone.
D. 这台电话呢还是了。
E. When are you going to telephone the doctor?
E. 下了后头呢是蛮把的电话呢跑啊。
F. In summer, I like to swim in the Yellow River.
F. 也是不黄湖呢，就黄湖是就是得个多了呢。
G. I enjoy riding horses and yaks.
G. 不毛是咱们是分了个多了呢。
H. He works in the morning.
H. 干是的就为什么？
I. We are going to a meeting this evening.
I. 不大个你说呢？是干的个你。
Please look at 142.
都喊你了，只是比41个人见的。
Answer these questions using the correct forms of right.
那就是呢，对了上老郎的那问题跟他回答了。
What did he do?
跟阿妈个讲，
He wrote.
跟就是讲，
What is he doing?
跟阿妈个呢，
He is writing.
干就是呢。
C. What was he doing?
C. 干阿妈给你呢。
He was writing.
干就是你个呢。
D. What were they doing?
D. 他个阿妈给你个呢。
They were writing.
他个就是你个呢。
E. What did they do?
他个阿妈给几个呢。
They wrote.
他个就是家。
F. What are they doing?
他个阿妈个呢。
They are writing.
他个就是呢。
G. What am I doing?
G. 不阿妈个呢。
You are writing.
切就是呢。
H. What was I doing?
H. 不阿妈给你个呢。
You were writing.
切就是你个呢。
I. What did I do?
I. 不阿妈个家。
You wrote.
切就是家。
J. What did she do?
他阿妈个家。
She wrote.
他就是家。
K. What was she doing?
K. 他阿妈给你个呢。
She was writing.
他就是你个呢。
L. What is she doing?
L. 他阿妈个呢。
She is writing.
他就是呢。
M. What did he do?
M. 跟阿妈个家。
He wrote.
跟就是家。
N. What was he doing?
N. 跟阿妈给你个呢。
He was writing.
跟就是你个呢。
O. What is he doing?
O. 跟阿妈个呢。
He is writing.
跟就是呢。
P. What did we do?
P. 不打跟阿妈个家。
We wrote.
不打个就是家。
Q. What were we doing?
Q. 不打跟阿妈给你个呢。
We were writing.
不打个就是呢。
R. What are we doing?
R. 不打跟阿妈个呢。
We are writing.
不打个就是呢。
S. What was Nima doing?
S. 你妈阿妈给你个呢。
Nima was writing.
你妈就是你个呢。
T. What is Nima doing?
T. 你妈阿妈个呢。
Nima is writing.
你妈就是你个呢。
U. What did Nima do?
U. 你妈阿妈个家。
Nima wrote.
你妈就是家。
V. What is the teacher doing?
We tell us magna.
The teacher is writing.
Tell us jurna.
W. What did the teacher do?
W tell us magja.
The teacher wrote.
Tell us jurja.
X. What was the teacher doing?
Tell us amagniguna.
The teacher was writing.
Tell us jurniguna.
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
Hanila. Neutral jidrukria. Takasidaskaldea.
What is your name?
My name is Li Zhenglu.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
What is your name?
My name is Dechun.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
Hanila sinisa. Yinzula mangwana surugna keselba.
Today, let's begin our last lesson.
Neutral ptak mishangula kuna keslia.
Our last lesson is about figures.
Patakan tui hunya ku sir patakan tupchamangar huaymangar jona.
Please look at figure 1.
Hanila. Tupchan ganina shanjaldia.
What are in the picture?
Tupchar yana.
Balloons are in the picture.
Tur sichuva.
How many balloons are in the picture?
Tur ktang china.
There are 8 balloons in the picture.
Tur niman china.
How many light-colored balloons are in the picture?
Tur vutano kungahan chiktina.
2.
Horwa.
How many dark-colored balloons are in the picture?
Tur vutano kungahan chiktina.
6.
Dirangwa.
Figure 2.
Tur horna.
In what direction is the arrow pointing?
Smo alar rasta fraja.
It is pointing north.
Bimyang go fraja.
Is the arrow pointing south?
Smo namyang go fraja no?
No.
Kwa.
Is the arrow pointing west?
Smo shmyang go fraja no?
No.
Kwa.
Number 3.
Huram.
What's in the picture?
Turayana.
There is nothing in the picture.
Turayamad kwa.
for?
敌人
When do people get certificates?
昆阿拉后头能身份证拿不是的呢
When they do something important.
该个规准蹲当们办公后头能第二不是的呢
Do you have any certificates?
什么身份证没有
Yes, I have 2.
咦你打呼哩
When did you get a certificate?
去谁能身份证脱了呢
I got a certificate last year.
不身份证拿的能啊哇
5.
他问
Magnifying glass.
放大镜
How many magnifying glasses are in the picture?
突然个谈个放大镜呢
1.
那个吧
What are magnifying glasses used for?
也没个呢
They are used to look at small things.
天啦没拉当时就是养出不是个吧
Who use magnifying glasses?
看放大镜的样了呢
Stamp collectors use magnifying glasses.
也没说是今天个样了呢
6.
就是我
Printer.
印发字
What are printers used for?
印发字了也没个呢
They are used to make copies.
天啦也没发个呢
7.
灯笼
Bulb.
灯泡
When did you last buy a bulb?
什么像个新的灯泡个啊哇
I bought a bulb 2 weeks ago.
钱没个天哪哇
Why did you buy it?
灯泡跟人家那个谈个
Because my bulb went out.
因为我们的灯泡上课下
How much do bulbs cost?
灯泡跟人家那个谈个
Bulbs cost about 1 yuan each.
你个灯泡是块钱是吧
How many bulbs are in your classroom?
他跟那就是个谈灯泡一呢
My classroom has 2 bulbs.
他跟那就是个灯泡一呢
Are all bulbs the same?
灯泡一挂的是在哪呢
No, bulbs are different.
挂灯泡个是在挂
8.
你们
Check mark.
检查了镜
When do people use check marks?
困个钱呢检查了跟那样了呢
Check marks show something is right or wrong.
检查了今年呢啊样当心就是在对了家呢挂在贴后头一样了呢
9.
10
Disc.
disc
What are discs used for?
disc 啦没个呢
They are used to store information.
贴了也没当心个呢出来呢
What do discs store?
disk 了洋存可呢
They store information.
拆了有么新什么听存可呢
How much does a disc cost?
disk 跟那年那个汤个
A disc costs about 20 yuan.
你看 disk 活人会谁是吧
Where can discs be bought?
disk 呢俺啥玩意儿呢
Discs can be bought at computer shops.
disk 呢计算机打了今天上电话啥玩意儿呢
10.
好人
Mail.
信
What are in this picture?
图是呀呢
There are many letters and a bag in this picture.
你图是个负担的呢图那还个信呢
How many letters are in this picture?
图是个汤信呢
There are many letters in this picture.
图是还个信呢
How many mail bags are in the picture?
图是个汤信负担的呢
1.
那个吧
Where do you get your mail every day?
奇怪的那俺就是信和那回来是的呢
I get my mail at the mail room.
不信和那信该是啥玩意儿呢
11.
还是那个
Scale.
玩儿嘛
What are scales used for?
玩儿嘛了俺们个呢
To weigh things.
也没玩儿嘛了呢
Who use scales?
看玩儿嘛那样了呢
Shopkeepers use scales.
上电上打今天个玩儿嘛那样了呢
12.
还让玩儿
This picture means something has burst.
两个图是两个项目各啥身体
What kinds of things burst?
俺们可以当些喝那些
Balloons burst.
自己喝那些
When do they burst?
这个alles goed nog krana.
Balloons burst when they have too much air.
自己跟着呢，去乱打啥地就krana.
13.
还让忽然
Clock.
点准
What do clocks do?
点准了俺们个呢，
Clocks measure time.
点准了时那时间呢，
What time is it?
到俺那时候的啊，
Now it's 11:35.
到10:35呢，
14.
还让敌人
Gavel.
吹，
There is a gavel in the picture.
突然没得地没拉吹你呢，
A gavel is used in a meeting.
你上班没拉吹呢，会上样了呢，
The leader of the meeting hits the table with the gavel when he wants other people to listen to what he says.
这回呢是个呢，古人可可干呢，今年呢养过来你呢长了你哈，这吹呢是这个盘呐。
A gavel is made of wood.
你木的吹呢，木的了啥啥呢？
It looks like a hammer.
天呢是叫啥？他们吹听个。
What is a gavel?
木的吹你养呢？
A small hammer made of wood.
木拉吹呢，木的了啥啥呢？
Who use gavels?
看天的养了呢。
Leaders of meetings use gavels.
会议股是个大呢，天的养了呢。
15.
还让他问
Newspaper.
报纸，
What is a newspaper?
报纸养呢？
A newspaper is pieces of paper with information.
报纸，查证个，这呢，新什么个记录个家？
How many newspapers are in the picture?
出是看报纸呢？
1.
你干嘛？
Do you read newspapers?
吃报纸嘛，个是真牛。
Yes.
嗯，
What newspapers do you read?
吃了什么报纸呢？是真的。
I read Qinghai newspapers.
不，青海日报呢是真的。
16.
还让结婚，
Star.
福德，
How many stars are there?
这个汤福的呢？
There are countless stars.
这开张贵公益呢？
When do you see stars?
这个线呢福德很是干呢。
I see stars at night.
不算了，等等能福德很是干呢。
Where are stars?
福德看见，
Stars are in the sky.
福德个听干是的吧？
17.
还让独龙，
Bicycle.
自行车，
What are bicycles used for?
自行车可哪么个呢？
Bicycles are used to go from one place to another place.
自行车那可分呢？你个还解释，让你个还解释是呢？
How much does a bicycle cost?
你个自行车个汤个年个人呢？
A bicycle costs about 400 yuan.
你个自行车地上讲谁日个人呢？
18.
还让你们
What are butterflies?
想把那些养呢？
Butterflies are insects.
想把那些花黑个？
What color are butterflies?
想把那些阿玛黑不到底呢？
Butterflies are many colors.
想把那些阿玛黑不到底呢？
Do you see butterflies in winter?
其实古的想把那些死狗
No.
鬼，
Where do you find butterflies?
强就是想把那些的死狗呢？
Butterflies are found near flowers.
想把那些呢其他死狗呢？
19.
还是真
Contract.
后吞
What do you see in the picture?
他说他个牙是个呢
I see a piece of paper, a pen, and a hand.
他说不掐子是个呢 刚不是个呢 还是个的是个呢
Where is the pen?
他刚不是俺家
The pen is in a person's hand.
他刚不是空个那开始的呢
What is the hand doing?
他还是俺们个呢
The hand is writing.
他还是来也嘛就是呢
What is a contract?
后吞的牙呢
A contract is an agreement.
后吞了也嘛答应了你是第一个呢就是呢
20.
活人
A globe shows the world.
只就是个还是个是的是个呢
In this globe, we can see North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia.
两个只就是不大可能比两个美国那是个呢南两个美国那是个呢非洲那是个呢欧洲那是个呢亚洲那是个呢当然澳大利亚那是个呢
These places are called continents.
两个家可能都去都在那
Where is North America?
比两个美国安家
North America is located north of South America.
比两个美国比美洲呢比两个的呢
Where is Africa situated?
非洲安家手下
Africa is situated south of Europe.
非洲呢欧洲呢南两个的呢
Where is South America situated?
南两个美国安静的手下
South America is situated south of North America.
南两个美国呢比两个美国呢南两个的呢
Where is Australia situated?
澳大利亚安静的手下
Australia is situated south of Asia.
澳大利亚南两个的呢
21.
活人那个
What is in the picture?
突然呀呢
A telephone is in the picture.
突然电话个
What is it used for?
贴了俺们个呢
Telephones are used to talk to other people.
电话了古人困了给下过来的呢
22.
活人活
There are 3 things in the picture.
突然忽然当西呢
What are they?
贴黑呀呢
Trees, a beach, and an ocean are in the picture.
突然大理袖子一呢
23.
活人忽然
This is a calendar.
那是冷个
How many days are in a month?
那个啥个谈多啊
A month has 30 days?
Nikasara Huchintra.
How many days are in a week?
Nikafadana Ktantrina.
A week has 7 days.
Nikashinstana Tulundra.
How many days are in a year?
Nikafadana Ktantra.
A year has 365 days.
Nikafadana Waranjan Jiranjuntrina.
24.
Warandiran.
Hands.
Har. Turiana.
There are 2 hands in the picture.
Turahugarina.
How many fingers do you have?
Chimuktanghri.
I have 10 fingers.
Nda Harang Hri.
Where are your fingers?
Chinuhurakanji.
My fingers are part of my hands.
Manuhuraka Manaharthi.
What are the hands doing?
Harkla Amagna.
The hands are clapping.
Harana Huailana.
When do people clap?
Quaka Alaskutana Harana Huailana.
People clap when they are excited.
Quaka Pesku Ti Harana Pashi Huailana.
25.
Hurentawan.
What is the woman doing?
Teninakun Amagna.
She is pointing to a blackboard.
Taki Jagana.
What is the woman holding?
Teninakun Yavarja.
She is holding a pointer.
Terjagajin Tanavarja.
In which hand is the woman holding the pointer?
Teninakun Alakastana Terjagajin Varja.
In her left hand.
Te Solvigastana Varja.
What is the woman pointing to?
Teninakun Yarjagana.
She is pointing to the blackboard.
Taki Jagana.
What is the woman wearing?
Teninakun Yamsja.
She is wearing a white jacket, a white blouse, and a black skirt.
Teninakun Chanti Dimangmasja.
Where is the blackboard?
Takipang Anja.
The blackboard is behind the woman.
Takipan Teninakun Huinana.
26.
Horin Jirgon.
Trophy.
Jambi.
When is a trophy given?
Xena Jambina Wana.
When someone wins a game.
Kuka Yangana Shikuti Wana.
Have you ever been given a trophy?
Chima Jambimang Wugui.
No, I have never been given a trophy.
Gui. Da Zonda Jambima Wajigui.
27.
Horin Tulong.
Is this face happy?
Nyang new praise channel?
Yes, it is.
Best ja.
Why?
Amaga.
Because the face is smiling.
Tenyu Shinina.
When are you happy?
Che Alas Hutna Basana.
I'm happy when I'm playing.
O Yamanatakus Hutna Iskni Basana.
28.
Horanima.
Is this face happy?
Nyanyu Base Channel?
No.
Qua.
Why?
Amaga.
Because this face is not smiling.
Nyanyu Base Chagua.
When are you sad?
Chikshena Pufalano.
I am sad when I do poorly on examinations.
Pukula San Sinukus Hutna Pufalano.
That's all for today, and this is our last lesson. We hope you will continue to study English. Goodbye, everyone.
Hanela, Newtor Jidruksha. Patakino, Kuya Praja. Patakasha, Hanela, Yuzuna, Tehada Surelda. Hanela, Sidaskaldia.